My name is Dature Kuricheti from DPS Nacharam, Class 9. Our project was made in collaboration with AKSHARA VAAGDEVI International School.
Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Myself, J. Sachin Kirtuvasu,
and myself, T. Sriram.
and we are from grade 10 of AKSHARA VAAGDEVI International School. So today, I'm going to present my project, the Smart Glasses, which is a solution for the third pillar of ATL Marathon Problem Statement List, which states that to innovate villages and towns to make them smart and hybrid. So due to the accident, there is a loss of human life and there is a loss of economy. So to prevent everyone from the accident, we have invented these smart glasses. Now my friend Sriram will explain you how the prototype works.
So I am going to explain the functioning of a prototype. We have used two sensors, the eye-blink sensor. The eye-blink sensor detects the movement of our eye when the driver wears this glass and he starts driving, and when he feels drowsy and closes his eyes. This sensor detects the movement of eye and sends the information to the Arduino board, which acts like the motherboard of a prototype. And then the Arduino board sends the command to the buzzer, and the buzzer makes a sound so that the driver gets alert and there would be less cases of accidents. We have used a 9-volt battery which gives power to our prototype.
If this project is implemented in real time, people do not have to worry about their near and dear getting injured in any accidents. This project will also reduce the economic losses and the human losses that are happening around the world. If the government takes an initiative to bring up this project and mobile companies to realize it, this project would help save billions and millions of lives. Deeply thank the Niti Aayog and ATL Innovation Mission for giving us this huge opportunity to innovate.